1949. Everybody is okay? Everybody is okay. Can we go forward now? Okay, so associated with this, MCQ number 87. Consider the following places which are associated with Buddhism. I've given 4 places here, and I've given, right, what is the importance of the 4 places. If you have followed what I've discussed in the last 5 minutes, you will answer this particular question very, very easily. How many of them have been correctly matched?
भाई कैसा ट्रैफिक लगा है.
Now let me go forward. There was one very interesting comment in the chat section. Somebody said, ये तो सब Indian Express के article है. Right? English translation for those who do not understand Hindi. The student was saying all of these articles from Indian Express. My dear, these are from today's Hindu newspaper, Delhi edition. And second, don't you think what is discussed in the Hindu, most of it will be again discussed in Indian Express? Do let me know. And most of it, don't you think will be discussed in the Hindu? What is discussed in Hindu will be discussed in Indian Express.
Exactly. दोनों premium newspaper हैं.
Whatever article
UPSC
is there, which is a current affair, which is a news, is a news for everybody. Whether it is Indian Express or Hindu doesn't matter. Okay, done. Let me go forward. Next article, P4 initiative. As far as I am concerned, this is an important article. Okay, important article. Why? When you're writing an essay paper, when you're giving, let's say, answer in an interview, when you're writing, right, let's say ethics paper, or for that matter even GS paper 3 and GS paper 2, when you're talking about poverty, etc., you can quote this an example of how the government can involve even the private sector or private citizens to address the issue of poverty. Yeah. What is this P4 initiative? It's a regional news. It is a news associated with a state, I know that, Andhra Pradesh. But can you use this to write an answer in the mains examination? Yes. What is this P4 initiative? Very often you will come across this, right? That is piece of news which says there is a rising income inequality in India. There is a rising wealth inequality in India. Right? So rising income inequality, rising wealth inequality has been observed. Now somebody will say, what is this income and wealth? Both are one and the same. Sir is repeating. No, my dear, income is different, wealth is different. Okay, both are not one and the same. Be very, very careful. Okay, so rising income inequality, rising wealth inequality can be basically involved.
Wealth inequality तो भाई बहुत पहले से है.
Very rich.
Income inequality तो अभी भी हो रहा है.
Poor people, so that the poverty will be reduced. Please do let me know.
Income inequality which leads to wealth inequality basically. अगर इनकम में इक्वालिटी होगा तो एक टाइम के बाद वेल्थ में इनइक्वालिटी आएगा ही.
To certain sections of the society, so that the poverty can be reduced. These households which are classified as poor will move out of poverty. That is exactly the objective of P4 initiative. Right? So what is this P4 initiative? It is basically one of the initiatives launched by Andhra Pradesh government, right, by CM Chandrababu Naidu, under which the government, Andhra Pradesh government, has put up a target of zero poverty by 2029. Okay, zero poverty by 2029. P4 essentially stands for public-private